Bracing for flooding can also mean making sure you're set when it comes to insurance. WRTV's Nadja Wood shows us what you can do before and after the water rises, especially if you are in known flood zones.
Here in the Ravenswood neighborhood in Indianapolis, they've experienced flooding in the past. Neighbors I talked to say that's why it's important to be prepared.
You got to have the insurance.
Richard Hahn lives in the Ravenswood neighborhood by the White River. For these residents, flood coverage is crucial.
It's mandatory around this area that you got to have it, or lose your home.
This is a glimpse of the neighborhood in May of 2017. Houses, roads, and cars were submerged. Hahn didn't live there then, but he knows about the dangers of the rising river.
I've helped my neighbors with building seawalls, sandbags, and whatnot, and getting prepared for the bad flooding.
Warnings are already being echoed on phones for this neighborhood and other parts of central Indiana.
Flood warning affected area ahead. Please proceed with caution.
Local insurance agents stress the importance of checking your coverage now.
Understand what your deductibles are should you be impacted. Understand if you're in a flood zone or not and how they may or may not impact you.
Sandra Shamba is a vice president with AAA Insurance. She tells me even if you don't live in a flood zone and aren't sure if you're covered, you have options.
You can work with your National Flood Authority to determine if that would be the case. There's also private flood insurance out there.
And if you do have flood damage,
always inspect your property. Take pictures always, take video always. But what are the things that you can do to mitigate mold damage if an adjuster can't get out to you right away? Think in those types of terms.
Prepare for times like this.
Nadja Woods, WRTV.
For those who live in areas that frequently flood, Shambaugh suggests getting sandbags, raising your furniture above water lines, and putting away loose wires to prevent any accident.